P0014 is, required on different vehicles and a different aspect of fault, regardless of the type of car, the type of what you have done on it, and the type of code that is giving you, and the description. So we have to take note that it's required to all cars, which is a pending code all the time, but it also requires to some particular fault and some particular idea that we know about it before you can able to solve this problem once and for all and permanently. So P0014 is unlike normal for that you can able to just identify and solve it. It takes time to rectify it and diagnose it well before you can able to solve it. So this is what we are going to do, and this is Honda Accord 2.4 liter Earth's dream engine, and this engine is like a whole noise rattling, and you cannot able to even hear the sound of the engine. So I diagnosed it and figure out that this is the pending code, and I also discovered that this car has a serious overheating, which has a bonehead gasket. So it's a 2-in-1 job that we are doing here. So already the head gasket has been removed, which I'm going to replace it too. But this is how I'm going to show you how to even align the timing chain to get the correct start. So everything in this video is a key word that you have to listen well and take more cautious and be patient about it. God, if you miss any step in this video, you are not going to solve your problem, and that is the philosophy. I always tell the truth, bitterness in my video that I did, and this is what we do. So I have figured out that this camshaft facer is not good. Due to some particular instructions that we give, and it's not being updated. So before this thing can spoil, what happens that if you are not using the specific oil for the engine, it will affect the camshaft facer, which is the VVTI. And also if you use the wrong oil filter, as I always mention, you may automatically get problem with your camshaft facer with the VVTI or VTC. That is it. So it's not like using it and all of a sudden it comes. Something happened before this thing happened, which is wrong engine or degraded engine oil causes that, wrong oil filter causes that, and if you use oil for too long and it becomes dirty, automatically it will clog inside the VVTI and it will spoil it. So this is what brings this fault and this pending code. So it's not like just happen like that. So you can see I have removed it and I'm going to replace it. There is a brand new in the market. You can find out and change it. Don't lock it. As I always said, why will you able to lock something like this, which is the heart of the engine revolution? And once you lock it, it stops communication to the ECU automatically. That means anytime this pending code will be on and the check light will appear. Whenever you clear it multiple times, 100 times, it will appear 100 times. So just avoid it to lock this. And whenever you are purchasing the camshaft facer or the VVTI sprocket, make sure you buy from the right dealer, because most of them in the market are being repaired and locked, which you are unable to see it and they will lie to you. So you can see we are working with this plus the head gasket, which is the bonehead gasket. And what happened to the bonehead gasket is that there is no engine coolant in this car for over decade, over years, which cause serious engine overheating and destroy a lot of things. So also my advice to you guys is that use the right engine coolant for your car. Don't use that natural water. There is a salt in the natural water, especially for those living in the coastal areas like Accra, whatever. These waters are very salty, so whenever you put it in the car, it always destroy, and and it's also create overheating. You can see that side of engine block is like there is a rust there, which in the few years to come it will destroy the engine block. Is a look at this, look at that corner. So it tells you that natural water is not good for engine, because the boiling point of natural water is 100 degrees Celsius, which is not good. So you always have to avoid using it. And I always like using gasket cement for engine that has more serious overheating, because it seals and it cover everything, and perfect seal when you are able to, touch it and spark it. So also one advice thing I'm giving to you, that whenever you are working on this VVTi, the Camshaft visa, check the timing chain adjuster. If it's not good, you just replace it, because most of times to this thing can cause, and you may able to open it, which is a guesswork. So once you are on that track to solve this issue, check everything: the chain, the timing chain adjuster, and the freezer. And at Honda, whenever you turn the camshaft freezer, it locks and open. That means it's spoiled. So you automatically have to replace it. And this is my advice I'm giving you guys. So we had a perfect work, we had a perfect result. And whenever you are changing camshaft freezer, which is giving you a pending code of P0014, please don't lock it. Just change it and make sure you check the timing chain adjuster well. If it's not good, you may change it, and the same problem with there, which can give you engine rattling, too much noise. You cannot able to hear this sound again.